This is Akshay from grade 7B. Today I am going to say you about adaptations of animals, and the chapter name is Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. Do you know what you mean by adaptation? Now let's see that. The animals have changed their self for the new condition. For example, let us take an example of humans. If we go for a cold place or cold area, we feel so cold and we wear jackets and caps, right? So that means we have adapted ourselves, changed ourselves for the new condition. So that is mean by adaptation. Now let us meet some animals. So let's start. Whoa, it's a tiger. Now let's see their adaptations. The fur which helps them to blend into a tall grass while hunting. And the other adaptation of tiger is their speed and claws helps them to eat and kill their prey. Most tigers have only one predator, and it's us. We are the predator because we only try to hunt them, right? Those are some things about Amazing Tiger and its cool adaptations. I hope you all understood about it. Now let us meet another animal. What is this? Yes, it's the largest and the heaviest animal, which is elephant. Now let's know about this adaptations. Elephants have many adaptations that allow them to thrive in their warm habitat. Their big ears and wrinkly skin help them to stay cool. Elephants have a strong sense of smell because of its trunk. This trunk helps the elephant to pick the food, and these are some interesting adaptations of elephant. Now I'm going to visit another animal, and it's your turn to guess. Okay, I'll give you a small hint by giving some sound. What is this? Yes, you're correct. Horse. So let us meet the horse and know about their adaptation. So let's start. The horse, like another grazing herbivores, have typical adaptations for plant eating. A set of strong, high, crowned teeth suited to grinding grasses and other harsh vegetation, and a relatively long digestive tract, most of which is the intestine, concerned with digesting cellulose matter from vegetation. This is about the horse. Hope you all understood about the adaptation of animals. Thank you. Bye bye. Good evening everyone. I am Sahasra of grade 7B. Today I am going to do a 3D presentation on adaptations, and I am going to say you all about the adaptations of 3 animals. First of all, what is adaptation? Let me ask my friend Board. Hello Board. Hello Sahasra. Can you explain me about adaptation? Okay. An adaptation is a special skill which helps an animal survive and do everything it needs to do. Oh, I understood it. Thank you, Board, for explaining me. Welcome. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Now let us know a few adaptations of some animals. Oh, who is this? This is a penguin. Do you all want to know the adaptations of this penguin? Okay, I will tell you all. Penguins live in southern hemisphere. They have white colored skin so that they are not easily visible in the snow. They have thick skin to protect them from the cold, and they have webbed feet and streamlined body to help them swim in the water. Now, is there a snake in my home? I think this is a am very excited to say you all about its adaptations. Do you all want to know it? Okay, I will say you all. This is a raccoon. They douse their food by drinking into the water. Raccoons go into the torpor during the winters to survive. Hands are dexterous so that they help them to gather food. I hope you all understood about it. Thank you. My name is Latika and I'm going to introduce my best friend, that is Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. It has my name is yeah, it has white ear with sharp teeth. It has sharp nails to kill its prey. Thank you. The giant panda, also known as panda bear. Its nativity is in central China. It is man of sugarcane. It has large black patches around the eyes, ears and all across the body. Hey, stop eating. Okay, eat, go on. Thank you. They are known for being swing, calm and gentle animal. They have long and strong legs to run fast. Their eyes are situated on side of them to see their predators and run fast. They are recognized by white fluffy tail and big antlers. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Krishna. Today I am going to say about different types of mammals and different types of birds and different types of insects. So let us see. Do you know what is red-eyed frog? This is red-eyed frog. Amphibians, like frogs, love the moist, warm climate of tropics. Tropical rainforests are home of thousands of species of frogs, including the red-eyed tree frog. Now, do you want to know about toucan? Toucan are the bird. Toucans are a family of tropical birds with massive, colorful beaks. Their looks have made them popular in arts and advertising. These crow-sized birds in the nest hollows in tropical trees. Now, do you want to see a big mammal? Yes, you're right. It's obviously elephant. African elephant is the largest living land mammal. Elephants are herbivorous, mainly eating leaves from treetops. They also have high levels of intelligence and very sociable. Look at its trunk. It uses it as nose, because of which it has strong sense of smell. Moreover, its tusks are modified teeth. Large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. They also help the elephant to keep cool in a hot and humid climate of the rainforest. Do you want to know about the cold animal? Yes, it's the polar bear. Polar bears are found in Arctic region. The white fur is not easily visible in the snowy white background. Its predator and prey are unable to see it. It has two thick layers of fur. They keep it warm in cold weather. It has a layer of fat under its skin. The fat insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm. It has long, curved and sharp claws, and these help it to walk on ice. It has very strong sense of smell. It helps the bear locate and catch its prey. Do you want to see another Arctic animal? Let's see. Yes, the other animal living in Arctic region is obviously penguin. Wow, there are here thousands of penguins. Can you see the penguins? They are cute, right? Other well-known animal in living polar regions is the penguin. It also has white and merges with white background. It also has a thick skin and a lot of fat to protect it from cold. Like polar bears, penguins are also good at swimming. Their bodies are streamlined and their feet have webs, making them good swimmers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sari. Today I am going to explain you all about the adaptations of penguin and polar bears. So let's get into the video.
Hello everyone, it's me, Polar Bear. I'm a hyper-carnivorous bear whose native range lies largely within the Arctic Circle encompassing the Arctic Ocean. I live in cold places such as Arctic Ocean, Arctic Circle and Antarctica, etc. Because I live in very cool places, my fur is very thick. It's my family here. A boar. It means an adult male polar bear weighs around 350 to 700 kgs. While a sow, that means an adult female, is about that half that size weight. Although it is the sister species of the brown bear, it has evolved to occupy a narrower ecological niche with many body characteristics adapted for cold temperatures, for moving across snow, ice and open water, and for hunting seals, which make up most of its diet. My scientific name is maritime bear. Our kingdom is Animalia. Our phylum is Chordata. Our class is Mammalia. We are carnivora. Here you can see we are eating a seal. Our mostly eaten food is seal. Our family is Ursidae. Our genus is Ursus. Our species is U. maritimus. We have a long provided important raw materials for Arctic peoples, including the Inuit, Yupik, Chukchi, Nenets, Russian Pomors, and others. Hunters commonly used teams of dogs to distract us, allowing the hunter to spare us or shoot with arrows at closer range. In Russia, our furs were already being commercially traded in the 14th century, though it was of lower value compared to Arctic fox or even reindeer fur. The growth of the human population in the Eurasian Arctic in the 16th and 17th century, together with the advent of firearms and increasing trade, dramatically increased the harvest of ours. However, since our fur has always played a marginal commercial role, data on the historical harvest is fragmentary. It's me when I was small. Hello there, I am Penguin. We are a group of aquatic flightless birds. We live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere with only one species, the Galapagos penguin, found north of the equator, highly adapted for life in the water. We have counter-shaped dark and white plumage and flippers for swimming. We are eaten by sea lions. Our scientific name is Spensidae. The speed of our emperor penguin is 6 to 9 km per hour, and it's our family. The height of our emperor penguin is 1.1 to 1.3 meters. The height of our little penguin is 30 to 35 centimeters. The height of our Galapagos penguin is 49 to 53 centimeters. The lifespan of an emperor penguin is 20 years and the lifespan of a little penguin is 6 years. An emperor penguin weighs up to 23 kgs and a little penguin weighs up to 1.5 kgs and a Galapagos penguin weighs up to 2.5 kgs. The scientific name of our little penguin is Uditilla minor, and Uditilla minor is the smallest species in the world. Uditilla minors are found in coastlines of southern Australia and New Zealand with possible records from child. All penguins have black backs and white bellies. African penguins have a black stripe and black spots on the chest. Penguins eat krill, fish, squid, and other small animals from the ocean. Emperor penguins and king penguins only lay one egg, and all other penguin species lay 2 eggs. Gentoos are the speediest penguins who can top up to 20 mph, but most species dart around at a more modest 4 to 7 mph. Penguins eat a range of fish and other sea life that they catch underwater. The emperor penguin's black and white plumage serves as camouflage while swimming. Emperor penguins incubate eggs on their feet. Penguins jump into the air before diving to swim faster. Scientists still don't know for sure how many kids there are for penguins. Explorers first called penguins as strange geese. They can swim at speeds over 10 miles per hour. They can also dive down over 800 feet. Penguins' suits act as camouflage. They can drink seawater. Some extinct penguins grew more than 5 feet tall. Penguins don't have teeth. They go through a catastrophic molt once a year.